Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to set up Multiview in 3 simple steps. Welcome to Sleek Guides. YouTube TV has finally unlocked full customization for Multiview, allowing you to pick exactly what you want to watch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by launching any live channel you want to include. This first choice acts as your anchor channel for the layout. Step 2. Press the down arrow on your remote to bring up the playback controls. You'll see several options appear below the progress bar. Navigate to the Multiview button, represented by a small grid icon, and select it to see your available viewing options. Instead of picking a preset combination, look for the Build a Multiview or your Multiview option. This is where the magic happens. Now simply choose up to 4 additional live channels from the categorized lists. You can mix sports, news, and entertainment. Once you've made your selections, navigate to the top and select Watch New Multiview to see your custom layout come to life. To switch audio, use your directional pad to move the border to the game you want to hear. The sound switches instantly. Want a closer look? Highlight a game and press Select to go full screen. Press back whenever you're ready to return to the grid. Great news for your data. Even with 4 screens, this counts as just one single stream toward your account limit. This is a game changer for NFL Sunday Ticket subscribers, allowing you to mix out-of-market games with your local broadcasts. Keep in mind, Multiview only works for live content. You cannot add DVR recordings or video on demand to your custom layout. Also, while most modern smart TVs and streaming boxes support this, some older devices may still be limited to pre-selected sets. Recapping, start your anchor channel, press down for playback controls, and enter the Multiview builder. Pick your favorite games, hit Watch New Multiview, and you're ready for the ultimate viewing experience. It's that simple. For more high-value tech tutorials, subscribe to Sleek Guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy the games.